Let's talk about your favorite films. What type of films do you like watching? Albert likes thrillers and adventure films. But Betty wants to watch a comedy. Let's learn some new words. Adventure. Animation. Comedy. Thriller. Creepy. Stunning. Suggestion. According to. Romance. Film review. Movie. Science fiction. Turn in. Turn into. Turn off. Turn on. How about watching Pirates of the Caribbean? This is a funny adventure movie.
I don't mind. I don't really like horror films and thrillers. Actually, I can't stand them.
I'm not a big fan of comedies. I think that most of them are stupid. I enjoy adventure movies and thrillers. I quite like science fiction, but I prefer fantasy films. Let's watch The Lord of the Rings.
That's a great idea.
We use past simple to talk about actions that took place in the past. Time expressions used with past simple are ago, yesterday, last Sunday, last week, last month, last year, the other day, 2005. We moved here in 2005. We use present perfect to talk about our experiences and actions that started in the past and have continued up to the present. Time expressions used with present perfect are ever, never, always, twice, yet, already, just, since, for, etc. I have had this car since 2005.